Don Trollano is a Filipino professional basketball player for the San Miguel Beermen of the Philippine Basketball Association. Trollano was drafted by the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters with the 15th overall pick in the 2015 PBA draft. On October 25, 2015, Trollano recorded 8 points, 3 rebounds and 4 assists in a win over the Columbian Dyip in his second career game played. On November 11, 2015, Trollano recorded his first double-digit scoring output as he scored 12 points to go along with 3 rebounds in a win over the Alaska Aces. In the 2016 Commissioner's Cup, which was Trollano's rookie year, he won his first championship. On December 11, 2023, Trollano was traded to the San Miguel Beermen in a 3-team trade involving San Miguel, NLX and Northport Batang Pier. Don Trollano continues to be a significant contributor to his team's success and remains a respected figure in Philippine basketball. In the 2022 Philippine Cup, he hit a game-winning shot against TNT. In a win against the Meralco Bolts, he scored 11 of his 19 points in the fourth quarter to help NLX pull away for the win. In December 2022, Trollano signed a 2-year extension with the team, which came after he scored a career-high 26 points in 2 different games during the Commissioner's Cup. On March 2, 2023, in a Governor's Cup win over the Terra Firma Dyip, he hit a new career high with 44 points and broke the PBS all-time record for consecutive triples without a miss with 9 straight as well. During the 2019 Governor's Cup, he was traded to the Blackwater Elite along with Anthony Semard and a first-round draft pick for Bobby Ray Parks Jr. In 2020, he scored 23 points, 7 rebounds and 4 assists in a 96-109 loss. Trollano was on the move again after the NLX Road Warriors gave the number 4 pick to Blackwater for him, Maurice Shaw, Roe Samang and the Bossing's 2022 second-round draft pick. The Bossing then transferred the draft selection for Simon Encico, David Semaret, TNT's 2023 first-round draft pick and 2024 second-round draft pick in the trade. This reunited him with the coach he won his first championship with Yang Guo. In 2018, he was traded to the TNT Catropa for Norbert Torres. In Game 3 of the 2019 Commissioner's Cup Finals, he scored a playoff